Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Amaran P60c is probably one of the most versatile and powerful RGBWW LED panels on the market, offering a full spectrum of color control and impressive brightness in a portable package, making it an ideal choice for content creators, filmmakers, and photographers who demand flexibility and quality in their lighting setups. Number 5. Aputure Amaran MC RGBWW Mini Light. Meet the Aputure Amaran MC, the first ever RGBWW film light from Aputure. It offers unparalleled color control and flexibility for your creative projects. Experience a wide CCT range from 3200K to 6500K, with exceptional CRI and TLCI scores of 96+. Achieve precise color matching and stunningly accurate skin tones. Unlike traditional RGB lights, this device incorporates dedicated tungsten and daylight white LEDs. This unique design ensures superior color reproduction and a more natural light quality. Explore a variety of built-in lighting effects, from paparazzi to lightning, or customize them further with the Citus Link app. It provides endless creative possibilities for any scene. Its credit card-sized footprint and magnetic attraction make it incredibly versatile. Mounted anywhere you need light, effortlessly. Stay powered up with convenient USB-C PD and Qi wireless charging options. This light is designed to be ready whenever inspiration strikes. What we like. This light is incredibly small and versatile. If you need a compact light that can attach almost anywhere and is easy to power up, this is a great choice. It's perfect for on-the-go creators or those who need subtle lighting adjustments without a bulky setup. What people say. The Amaran P60c is a versatile RGBWW LED panel that offers a wide range of color options and precise control over color temperature. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up, making it suitable for various shooting scenarios. The panel features built-in diffusion, providing soft and even lighting without the need for additional modifiers. Number 4. NEEWER 660 Pro RGB LED Video Light Kit. Illuminate your content with two powerful 50W lights. They offer flicker-free illumination, adjustable color temperature, and a full spectrum of RGB colors, perfect for any creative project. Achieve natural and vivid colors with an ultra-high CRI over 97. Enhance your shooting environment with 9 special lighting scene modes, from fireworks to lightning. Easily control your lighting setup with the dedicated smartphone app. Adjust brightness, color temperature, hue, and saturation, and save your favorite presets for quick access. Customize your lighting with the included U-bracket and 4-way barn doors. The soft white diffuser creates balanced illumination, while the adjustable tripod stands provide stable support. Power your lights using the included AC adapters or optional NPF batteries. This flexibility ensures you can shoot anywhere, even without access to wall outlets. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or shooting portraits, these lights are your key to professional-looking content. They are perfect for YouTube, TikTok, and all your social media needs. What we like. This kit offers powerful and flexible lighting for your studio. If you're looking for a complete setup with 2 lights that can be controlled via an app for easy adjustments, this is ideal. It's excellent for streamers, YouTubers, or anyone needing consistent, high-quality key and fill lighting. What people say. The Amaran P60c is a versatile RGBWW LED panel that offers a wide range of color options and effects. It features a built-in battery, allowing for portable use without the need for external power sources. The light output is bright and consistent, making it suitable for various lighting scenarios. Number 3. Aputure LS300X Bicolor LED Light. Experience unparalleled color accuracy with this light. It ensures top-tier, natural-looking color reproduction, perfectly matching daylight for seamless integration. This light offers an expanded bicolor range, from warm tungsten to cool daylight. You can achieve warmer or cooler light than traditional fixtures for ultimate creative control. Choose between max output and constant output modes. Maintain consistent brightness while adjusting color temperature, or maximize output for your chosen settings. Fine-tune your color temperature with precision using the updated control box. Quickly adjust in 50K increments or select from 5 common presets for rapid changes. Control your lighting effortlessly through the control box, remote, DMX, or the CITUS Link app. It offers flexible and convenient operation for any setup. Enhance your scenes with 9 pre-programmed lighting effects. From paparazzi to fireworks, you can easily add dynamic and adjustable lighting to your shots. What we like. This light provides exceptional color accuracy and a wide bicolor range. If you need precise control over your color temperature and seamless blending with natural light, this is the one. It's suited for professionals who demand accurate skin tones and flexible lighting for various shooting conditions. What people say. The Amaran P60c is a versatile RGBWW LED panel that offers a wide range of color options and excellent color accuracy. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up, perfect for on-the-go shooting. The built-in battery provides hours of continuous use, allowing for flexibility in various shooting environments. Number 2. Aputure 300D Mark II LED Light. Meet the Aputure 300D Mark II, a significant upgrade designed to revolutionize your lighting setup. It's brighter, tougher, more portable, and smarter than ever before. Experience a 20% boost in light output compared to its predecessor. When paired with the Fresnel 2X, it can rival the intensity of a 575W HMI, delivering up to 80,000 lux. Maintain perfect color accuracy with its 5500K balanced output. It boasts impressive CRI and TLCI ratings of 96+ and 97+ respectively, ensuring true-to-life colors. The all-in-one control box operates in complete silence. It features 8 built-in lighting effects like paparazzi and lightning, with more to come via firmware updates. Easily trigger lighting effects on the fly with the new Trigger button on the control box. This allows for quick adjustments and creative scene setting. Enjoy flexible control with DMX 512 compatibility, a 2.4 GHz wireless remote, and the CITUS Link app. Its Bluetooth mesh network protocol ensures seamless connectivity. What we like. This light is a significant upgrade in brightness and durability. If you need a powerful, reliable, and quiet daylight balanced light for larger setups or demanding shoots, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for filmmakers and videographers who require a robust and high-output lighting solution. What people say. The Amaran P60c is a versatile RGBWW LED panel that offers a wide range of color temperatures and creative effects. It features a built-in battery, allowing for portable use without the need for external power sources. The light output is strong and consistent, making it suitable for various lighting scenarios. Number 1. Aputure Amaran P60c LED Panel. Introducing the Amaran P60c, a full-color LED panel designed for creators. Experience impeccable color fidelity and high-intensity light output for your projects. Take full command of your lighting with the CITUS Link app. Access 10 built-in effects, 46 color presets, and specialized tools for ultimate creative freedom. Easily fine-tune your lighting from 2500K to 7500K or adjust saturated color using HSI. Achieve the perfect look with intuitive 0 to 100% dimming control. Operate wirelessly with 2 NPF-style batteries for over an hour, or use the included AC power supply. It even charges your batteries when connected to AC power. This LED panel is designed for portability, making it a flexible tool for any video shoot. It comes complete with a carrying case, softbox, and mounting support. What we like. This panel offers full-color RGBWW capabilities in a portable package. If you're a content creator who values portability, ease of use, and the ability to create dynamic lighting effects, this is a great fit. It's perfect for on-location shoots or studio work where flexibility and creative lighting are key. What people say. The Amaran P60c is a versatile RGBWW LED panel that offers a wide range of color temperatures from 2500K to 7500K. It features 360-degree hue control and 9 built-in lighting effects, making it suitable for various shooting scenarios. The panel's compact and lightweight design, along with its battery-powered operation, makes it highly portable for on-the-go shooting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.